Right, okay. So sequences and series. Question 2 on the paper. A sequence S has terms u1, u2, u3, defined by un is 3m plus 2. Write down the values of u1, u2 and u3. Alright, so u1 is just when n equals 1. So that's going to be 3 times 1 plus 2. Which I think is 5. u2 is going to be 3 times n plus 2, so 3 times 2 plus 2 gives us 7. It doesn't give us 7, does it? It gives us 8. That wasn't good. Right, we found u2, but we still haven't found what we're looking for. I'm not sure that quite the raucous extent of that laughter there came across on the video particularly well. U3 is going to be 3 times 3 plus 2, so that is going to give us, that is all right, 11. There we go. And we've got our 3 terms. State what type of sequence S is. Well, are we multiplying by the same amount each time? Or are we adding the same amount each time? Or is it repeating the same sequence over and over again? These are the options that we've got. Well, we're going up by 3 each time, aren't we? So it's an arithmetic series. Arithmetic sequence. Okay, and then it says, find the sum as n goes from 101 to 200 of un. Okay, well the first thing to recognise about this is we're starting from 101 and going up to 200, and the formulas in the formula booklet all start from 1 and go up to a number. So that's how we can work it out. If we start at 1, we can work it out, but not if we start partway through it. So the easy trick for this is just to think the sequence, the series from 101 to 200 is all that you'd get if you did the whole thing from 1 to 200 and then took away the ones at the start that you don't want. So if you go all the way from 1 to 200 and then take away all the way from 1 to 100, that would leave you with exactly the bit that you want to find. Notice we need to go to 100 there, not to 101, because 101 is got to be included. Okay, now we've just said this is an arithmetic series, and so we need to work out our sums of our arithmetic series. The first term of our arithmetic series was 5. It was going up by 3 each time. So what we're working out is the sum from 101 to 200 is the sum of the first 200 terms, take away the sum of the first 100 terms, and then we're going straight to the formula, that one for the sum of the first n terms that we just wrote down, that is in the formula booklet. So we are doing 200 over 2, 2a plus n minus 1, so 189 times the common difference. Take away 100 over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Which we could then work out. Somebody might work it out on a calculator. for me. And I don't want to do it. It's not that I couldn't. What is that? 297 plus 10, so 307 times 100. Is that right? Isn't that right? And then that one would be... I've not done that right at all, have I? I've not done that 3 times 199. That's a 6, isn't it? Is that right? Is that a 6? And then we've got another number here. You haven't got that bit. What's the answer then, Jay? 45350. Do we agree with that? What was the answer in between? Have we written down? I haven't got it written down. There's another number there. What is it?
15350.
That looks about right. Brilliant. There we go. And that's all of that. 6 marks. That's quite nice, isn't it? There we go. And that's maths with a U2 joke.